Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City. Just checked into the Resorts Hotel and Casino here on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. I am in the Rendezvous Tower, room 4222. So I'm going to head up there and give you guys a little room tour. Follow me. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Hey everybody, check out the New Yawk store. There's a link in the description below. Lots of cool New Yawk swag, including t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies. We have teddy bears, coffee mugs, water bottles, stickers, tote bags, you name it, you'll find it at the New Yawk store. Lots of cool swag. Check it out. There's a link in the description below. Thanks so much for visiting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.